is it?
We sneak out tonight. Yes, let's go.
Wow, look at this page.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
So colorful.
It is. Let's keep reading. Look closely, little one. The river flows with calm wisdom.
It's so beautiful. What makes it flow?
Patience.
The silly penguin wobbles on ice, slips and slides, but never thinks twice. He waddles left, he waddles day and night.
Mother, it makes me so sad.
I know, my dear. It's just a story. I'm here.
Okay, Mother.
Psst. I have a plan.
Ooh, what is it?
We sneak out tonight. Yes, let's go. I have an idea. Let's use the map and the gears for our machine. Perfect.
Hey, Crow Baby, want to play the knowledge game?
Yeah. A game? I'm not sure.
Don't worry, we'll help you.
Come on.
2-1. Question 1.
Okay, we're ready. Yes, go ahead.
First question.
Need some help?
This chapter explains photosynthesis.
Ah, so plants make their own food.
Exactly. The sun is the key.
Teacher, may I humbly ask a doubt?
Of course, what is it?
How does this equation balance?
That's a good question. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. I know you can do it. I saw a cat and I got so scared.
Oh, my little one. I'm here now. You're safe.
Yay! First rank! Whee! I did it! Yay!
I'm sorry I doubted myself. Thank you all for believing in me. But maybe